How to clear search history on YouTube and mobile. In this video, I will guide you step by step, just make sure to watch till the end. Now I am on my YouTube homepage, and this is my YouTube search history. The first and very easy method to clear is that tap and hold on that search you want to delete, and this pop-up will be appeared. Press on remove, and that particular search will be removed. Second, if you want to clear all your search history at once, then tap on this profile icon here. Then go to Settings, press here on Manage All History, and it'll redirect you to this page. Now this is all your searched as well as watched history on YouTube. Press here on Delete and select any option below. And finally press on Delete. And your YouTube searched history will be permanently deleted from your account. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.